Hey there, it's Mark. Welcome to my Mr. Grooves channel. I am looking back at the 2021 D case assortment. That's because I'm getting rid of cars. I did the case unboxing videos. When it's done, put the cars back in. Super treasure hunts got put somewhere else. Some cars I opened up for videos, but I made sure to write the year on here. Otherwise, I see the D. I don't know what year that is, so I put 21D. You might notice it's a little different on the side. I got rid of the monitor. I was doing gaming. I was live streaming, and I'm not going to be live streaming anymore. That's done. I'm still making videos for my Race Grooves gaming channel, but I'm not live streaming. I'm just editing videos. Why is this? Why? I said I put them right back in the case. So why are these here? Because I might do videos with them. This one for sure. I did a video on my Race Grooves TV channel. This one, I don't know why I opened this one up, but anyways, there might be another one here. The extras, the ones I'm not keeping, I'm selling on eBay. I'll be making 72 count cases, and then just putting them back in there. And then I have 12 by 12 boxes, so you'll get the case. The case will be, am I going to seal it? I should seal it just in case. Yeah, I have to seal it because you don't want things to fly around. But then there'll be a little bit of padding on the outside, maybe like some type of bubble wrap. That's it. Bulk lot, and I did do a review on this here. That's because one of the ones I got, it was naked. It didn't have the printing right there. Anyways, here we go. 2021D. Oh, so why did I have to get rid of it real quick? It's because I noticed that when I was doing these videos right here, ABC, the lighting was good here, but then when I came up to the camera, it wasn't good. Well, why is that? Because I had a stand right there. And I couldn't push the case far enough back, so that means the case was like right here, really close. Well, the focal point, I have studio lights up here in the corners, those corners. I have a focus right here when I take pictures for eBay, right here, not back here. So when I got back here, it was dark. But now that I have everything pushed forward, is that enough talking? I hope you skip. You know how to skip. Surfin School Bus, casting change. You can find that in my casting change playlist. I mentioned in the last video, there's hands up variations. Hands up. They always have hands up on the package. But this car has two different interiors. It has one with the person right there, hands up, or that person's hands will be down. Nobody else's hands will be up. If there's going to be hands up, it's that one. Why they show hands up right here, this person's hands are never up. I don't know. Don't work for Mattel. Never did. Surfs up like this car, or I shouldn't say car, vehicle, like this vehicle. Die-cast. I don't know if I got this color. So see, that's the problem. I gotta take some kind of look to see which cars do I want to keep, which do I have enough of already, and then I can let it go. Here we have the 8-ball, Magic 8-ball Roger Dodger. These are both basic. On the base, there's sayings, as I see it, yes, just like the Magic 8-ball. And the other one says, don't count on it. I'm not sure if I'll be keeping. I'll definitely be keeping at least one. It's interesting. I never noticed this before. The graphics, the color on the Magic 8-ball text font is kind of orangish, but this one definitely yellow. You can see the difference, right? You definitely can tell that's not yellow. That's obviously yellow. That's yellow. Mark, check that out. That's my note. Gotta follow through. Bronco. Oh, I need my notes. My notes are, what were new models to the case? Every case has new models, right? Maybe 2, maybe 3, rarely 4. But anyways, 21 Ford Bronco. This is a new model, but it was not new to this case. Here's a look at the back, if you'd like to look at that. English packages have this on the back. If you have the multiple language cards, They do not have this information on the back. The two cars we'll be looking for that were new models first appearance to this case are the 06 Pontiac GTO and the Me Rollin, this Hot Wheels creation. We'll find out. This one has a special feature. Here you have fast bed hauler. Cool vehicle. I have a lot of these. I can definitely let this go. Definitely can let this go. You can see it's a flatbed truck. You can pull that out and use it as a flatbed. Roll your vehicles up there. Display them on there. Here it is. Here is Me Rollin, new for 2021. First appearance. I think it had. I think there was a red one too. I wound up with it in the case unboxings, I'm sure. But to be honest, I don't need it with my. I don't need it in the collection. I have this one loose. If I get a second color, keep a second color. That's enough. There is the information. I did a review on this. It was fun to do. It didn't get a lot of views on Race Grooves TV. I treated it like that mouse game, Mousetrap. So that was fun. Surfin School Bus, second sample in the case. Casting change, it's not the same. Ion Motors Thresher, carryover. It was in the last case. Part of this series here. Pretty nice camouflage. 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. I'm probably gonna let it go. It looks very nice. Hey, got two. There were two in the case. Why are you so far? Are these all? Oh, look at that. 1985 Honda CRX. There you go. Red, white, and blue. Not Stars and Stripes, red, white, and blue, but it's red, white, and blue. Good for me. I'll make sure I keep one. Ford GT40, my favorite model to collect. This year, I'm filming this in 2024. I don't know when you're watching this, but this year in 2024, this vehicle came back in the lineup. So we got a few colors. Nice. Manga Tuner. I had to think about it. Manga Tuner. There you go. Dogzilla was not Dogzilla. Hotweiler. It was in the last case. Jaguar XE SV Project 8 in red. Oh, I had set a Ford GT to the side, and then I forgot. 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. This is in Hot Wheels Unleashed, but it's a silver one. This is more of a pewter or a charcoal color. This is not the version that's in Hot Wheels Unleashed. The version that's in Hot Wheels Unleashed is just silver. Just silver. Lethal Diesel, new model, but it was actually in that last case. So this is the second appearance. Here's a look at the back if you'd like to read that. You're going to need to pause, okay? There you go. Here's another one from that series. These are normal vehicles. They did have a line to where it had moving parts. This version does not have moving parts. This vehicle, if I recall correctly, you pulled on the front and these wings came out from the side. It would make sense because see how it has this tool right here? So this way they reused this part, and then this is a different one for the moving parts. I only found, where did I find that? I forget who carried it. Oh, this is nice. Valentine's. I like holiday cars. Love Bug. Audacious. Long time Hot Wheels Fantasy Casting. Letter R. It's in the Art Car series. Art Cars. They have artsy, fartsy graphics. I thought, hey, I'm on Mr. Grooves. I can say fartsy. Graphics, but they'd have a letter on the top. And then if you got all the cars from the year, it would say something. It'd have a special saying. 91 GMC Syclone. Very nice color. Popular vehicle for collectors, especially if you like trucks. Taillight printing or livery. No headlights. It got side and rear. They say they can only do 2 sides. So those are the 2 sides. The sides, oh, by the way, the sides count as 1 because the machine can hit like this 1 time. 1 time, and then the rear is the 2nd time. Why they can't do the rear and the front and that count as 1, I don't know. 95 Mazda RX-7 in black. Gloss black. Is not a matte black. Very nice. And like when I choose cars for track time, I'm not doing the case unboxing track time videos anymore, which is why I can get rid of the cases now. Keep a few cars for future videos, but to keep this to continue to keep this case intact is costing me money because I'm paying for storage. So they got to go. Keep some cars that I know I want to use in the future. Some cars for me, some cars for my channels, and then some cars for you. Not for free. You have to buy it off of eBay. 06 Pontiac GTO. This is one of the new models. New for 2021. This was the first appearance. I don't know the official color. I just call it burnt orange. I remember that Crayola crayon. Burnt orange. I really like to use it. I just thought it was a neat name and it was a neat color. Very unique. There should be 2 in the case. As a matter of fact, you can see here. You can see that right there. So there is 2. It's not always, but for the most part, 2 in the case, and then the next code will have 2 again, maybe 1. Honda Civic Si, and you know what? Not all case codes are the same. So headlight graphics, headlight printing in the rear. Yeah, I checked. I checked eBay, seen what that one's worth. But yeah, I'm gonna put. There'll be some in the cases I put on eBay. Surf and turf. Now I'm recording these videos ahead of time. Probably our cars ahead of time, and then by the time I go to list it on eBay, does it have a fat rear tire? It's kind of wide, huh? Nah, yeah, it's kind of wide. Oh, skinny. That's definitely skinny, but it's like they make it look like they're drag racing. It's got a wheelie bar. Very cool. I think I'm pretty sure I showed the back just in case. That was it. 69 Chevelle. It's an X-Racer. See-through body. One of the very few real cars that have a transparent body. Okay, what's in the bottom? What's in the bottom? Hey, no, you gotta wait. I was holding this because it's part of a Then and Now series. Oh, you know what? That 16 race Camaro. I don't know if it's going to be in this case. It was in the C case. I'll set it to the side so it doesn't fall. Hey, look at that. Subaru WRX STI. I know somebody who collects those. There's Steer Clear. Very interesting name. Interesting vehicle design. If you don't like fantasy cars, that's fine. But, you know, if you appreciate the design as far as the creativity, that's me. You know, I can appreciate the creativity in the design, except for these wheels. Not a fan of these wheels. Don't hate me. I just don't like it. You might like it. I'm not a real big fan of these wheels. Probably, this is probably a pretty good car to put them on. Because a person who might like those wheels, that car might be one that they like. Loopster prototype. I don't remember if this was a new model in the last case. I'm not going to pause. I'm just going to keep moving. 17 Lamborghini Urus. Blister just popped. Love that blue. But, you know, when you're collecting, you don't want every vehicle to be the same exact color. It's nice to get that metallic blue, don't get me wrong. But you don't want every car to be the same because then your collection gets boring. It's all the same color. So it's nice to have unique models and colors. 17 Nissan GT-R R35. Just my opinion. Maybe you like having just blue. Maybe you just like your 50s cars to be in cherry red. Special feature. 6 wheels. No, that's not the special feature. What's the special feature? Oh, it has like an antenna right here. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Camera? I don't recall. Radar? Could be. Anyways, This is not the first. This is a Mars Perseverance Rover. There's a Mars Rover. I don't remember if they're actually exactly the same, but like the wheels might have been a different color. I don't recall. It's kind of neat to collect, but it's not something like I memorized. 935 Porsche 935. 2 in the case from Magnus Walker. Urban Outlaw. New for 2021, but not this case. It was like earlier. Maybe it was the last case. This is the D case, right? So right here, the last digit, D case. Maybe it was the C case. My sacks are a little wonky here. We're doing okay. Doing a drifter. Okay, good. So now there's the second one. I can let one go. I definitely want to keep one. This vehicle is in Hot Wheels Unleashed. You have the Lancia Delta Integrale. And that's what it looks like in the game. It's pretty fun to drive cars, vehicles that you own in your collection, and then to be able to drive them. All sorts of different vehicles. Speed. They even put the VW bus. They have the VW drag bus in Hot Wheels Unleashed 2 turbocharged, not the first one. Speed Dozer. This one that I told you, the Lancia. This is in turbocharged. It's not in the original game. So before you buy something, make sure which game it's in, if that's what you're looking for. Deora III. That's all. Tri-cera Truck. This is not the color, but Tri-cera Truck is in Hot Wheels Unleashed. I think it's in both. It's for sure in the first one. I don't know if it's in both. BMW M3 GT2. There you go. By the way, Hot Wheels Unleashed has a lot of cars like this. A lot. And since I'm not that experienced or knowledgeable on this classification of vehicle, I can't talk to you knowledgeably about it. But I just know there's probably 8. There could be like 8 cars like that. The Batman Batmobile. Love this. So good. Now that's 4 between the 2 cases. So I know I can keep one for me for sure. Pixel shaker. It's a pixelated bone shaker. But they call it a pixel shaker. A special feature. Maybe they're just going to say that you could put... Yeah, you could just use a minifigure and hold the back or sit inside. You have a little compartment to sit. Maybe you have to keep both. I don't know. Well, so I definitely can keep one at least. 2 Jet Z. This is a vehicle from their Hot Wheels Legends tour, except this is a recolor. The original 2 Jet Z that showed up in one of their... it was a custom car someone made and brought to the show. It won, I believe, the first... I think it might have won the first one. Silver. There you go. This one like a shark. Tigers. Flying tigers. I'm trying to think of that. Is this it? So no, Speed Graphics. So when it says then and now, I'm not sure. This would have been then. This is the original GT40. And this would have been now. But apparently not. Apparently not. Apparently that's not its match. I almost said mate. That would have been wrong. Cars do not mate. Okay. This was in the last case. Blade Raider. Oh, fantasy cars left. Clip Rod, that was in the last case. Fast Cash was original money clip car. Now this is a Clip Rod. Personally, I prefer Fast Cash. And Blade Raider. All of a sudden, I stumbled because I thought, did I say runner or did I say Raider? If you want to see the original case unboxing video with my original commentary, which was happening at that time, the link is in the description. I'm selling the cases on eBay. It might be there now. It might be sold. Might be coming. Don't know. Don't know when you're watching this. Don't know when I put it up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for looking. Bye-bye.